Hi guys, how's everyone doing? We are back again to bring you insights and advice on your real estate journey. So if you're looking for a property how-to and tutorial channel, you've come to the right place.
So today we will be discussing the difference between an offer to purchase and an option to purchase.
Right.
So both are actually documents in a sales and purchase transaction.
Yeah.
However, it's important to note the differences and at which stage each document is being used.
Alright, so let's get into it.
An offer to purchase is a formal letter from the buyer to the seller, signaling a serious intent in the property.
Right.
Some details in the offer to purchase letter would include things like property address, offer price, completion period, option period, and the validity period of this offer.
Right. An option to purchase is a legally binding document from the seller to the buyer for an option to purchase the property at a stipulated timeline.
There are two main differences between an offer to purchase and option to purchase, with the first difference being an offer to purchase is not legally binding, whereas an option to purchase is a legally binding document.
Exactly. There are many ways to make an offer. In today's context, many people resort to text messages because it's fast and convenient. As long as it's in black and white, it doesn't necessarily have to be on pen and paper.
That's right. However, an offer to purchase is a stronger intent to the seller because it is accompanied by a buyer's signature.
Right.
So if you are a seller today, you receive two offers, one in the form of a text message, the other in the form of a offer to purchase. Which will look more sincere to you?
That's right. An offer to purchase is just an intent to buy the property. Once the terms are agreed, an option to purchase will be granted to the buyer, hence the legal document.
Number 2, a seller can receive multiple offers to purchase but can only issue one option to purchase.
Exactly. As a seller, once the option to purchase has been granted to a buyer, you're not allowed to grant any more option to purchases to anyone else, irregardless of how good the next offer is.
And as a buyer, feel free to put out as many offers to purchase as you want. But just bear in mind that each offer to purchase comes with a 1% consideration fee.
Yeah.
And if the seller accepts, you now enter into a legal contract. And should you choose not to proceed with it, the 1% will be forfeited by the seller.
That's right. At the end of the day, know the difference between an offer to purchase and an option to purchase, which is legally binding. We hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you!